What if I told you the Amish have been quietly beating hard times for generations, with meals that cost almost nothing? No fancy ingredients, no waste, just pantry staples, garden scraps, and old-world tricks that keep a big family full when money gets tight. I'm going to walk you through the simple dishes that carried them through winters, shortages, and lean seasons, and why these plain meals might be the smartest food habits left. Want to learn how to feed your family for under $5 a day? Keep watching. Farmhouse Egg Scramble, using what's already there. Eggs are one of the most reliable food sources in a rural household, and their versatility makes them indispensable. A simple scramble becomes a way to rescue leftover vegetables before they spoil. Wilted greens, bits of onion, peppers, or roots all find new life when folded into beaten eggs. The result is quick, filling, and endlessly adaptable. This kind of cooking removes pressure from the kitchen. There is no fixed recipe, only a method. Seasonal changes naturally guide what goes into the pan, keeping meals varied even when budgets are tight. Eggs provide protein, vegetables provide nutrients, and together they create a satisfying dish that can be prepared in minutes. This approach teaches flexibility and awareness, two skills that make self-sufficient cooking possible year after year. Hot potato cornbread, stretching every ingredient. Potatoes that begin to soften or sprout are never discarded. Instead, they are mashed and blended into cornbread batter, creating a softer, denser loaf that stays moist for days. This method stretches both the potatoes and the cornmeal while producing a filling bread that satisfies hunger longer. The added moisture prevents crumbling and helps the bread last without refrigeration. It also creates a texture that feels richer than plain cornbread, even without added sugar. This kind of ingenuity turns necessity into improvement. What began as a way to avoid waste became a reliable household staple, especially during seasons when labor was heavy and calories mattered. Pepper and onion fry, turning surplus into sustenance. Peppers and onions are easy to grow and often appear in abundance at the same time. Cooking them together transforms simple produce into a deeply flavorful dish. As onions soften, they release sweetness that balances the peppers, creating a rich base that works on its own or alongside other foods. This kind of dish exists to prevent waste. When gardens produce more than can be eaten fresh, cooking becomes preservation by another name. Served with bread, eggs, or potatoes, this fry turns a handful of vegetables into a complete meal. Color and flavor matter, not for decoration, but because variety keeps people eating well. Even repeated meals feel different when small combinations change. That flexibility is what makes this simple dish endure. Cornmeal mush, fairness, warmth, and endurance. Cornmeal mush has long been a dependable breakfast because it solves several problems at once. It is inexpensive, stores for long periods, and can be prepared in large batches with minimal effort. Served warm, it provides steady energy that lasts through long mornings of physical work. Portions were often ladled into cups so everyone received the same amount, keeping meals simple and fair in large households. Cornmeal thickens slowly, requiring patience rather than skill, and once cooked, it holds heat well. During cold months, a warm bowl offered comfort as much as nutrition. When leftovers remained, they were never wasted, cooled, sliced, and fried later into crisp portions. This adaptability made cornmeal mush more than a meal. It became a system for stretching food, time, and effort while keeping everyone fed. Cucumber milk salad, cooling food for hot days. When summer heat makes cooking difficult, simple cold dishes become essential. Thinly sliced cucumbers, mixed with milk and a touch of sweetness, create a refreshing, nourishing bowl that requires no stove at all. This dish offers hydration, light nourishment, and relief from heat. Cucumbers grow quickly and abundantly, often faster than they can be used, making this preparation especially useful. It can be assembled quickly by anyone in the household, easing the workload on busy days. The result is gentle, cooling, and surprisingly satisfying, proof that comfort food doesn't always need warmth to do its job. Fried mush, yesterday's meal made new bread. When leftover cornmeal mush is allowed to cool and firm, it can be sliced and pan-fried into crisp, golden pieces. This simple transformation turns yesterday's breakfast into a completely different meal. The contrast between a crisp exterior and soft interior makes it satisfying and portable. Fried mush holds together well, making it easy to eat while working. A drizzle of syrup or honey adds warmth and flavor, but even plain, it serves its purpose. This approach reflects a deeper principle. Leftovers are not a burden, but an opportunity. With a little care, they become something people look forward to eating again. Buttered parsnip mash, a winter stand-in for potatoes. Parsnips thrive in cold soil and store well through winter, making them a reliable backup when potatoes run low. When boiled and mashed with butter, they develop a natural sweetness that sets them apart. Their texture is smooth and filling, and their flavor offers variety during months when choices are limited. Because they require less added fat to taste good, they also help stretch dairy supplies. This dish represents a quiet form of resilience, adapting to what grows well rather than insisting on what's familiar. Over time, parsnips earn their place as a dependable winter staple. Onion cream gravy over bread. Comfort from simplicity. A pot of onion gravy can turn stale bread into a meal that feels rich and comforting. Slowly cooked onions release sweetness, flour thickens the mixture, and milk or cream smooths everything together. Poured over bread, the gravy soaks in and transforms it completely. This dish is deeply practical, appearing often during lean periods when meat is scarce. It works at any time of day and adapts easily with herbs or seasoning. More than anything, it demonstrates how flavor can come from technique rather than expense. When food tastes satisfying, morale improves, and that matters just as much as calories. Tomato noodle skillet, managing garden abundance. When tomatoes ripen all at once, they demand quick solutions. Cooking them down into a simple sauce and adding noodles creates a fast, quick, filling meal that uses large quantities at once. The noodles absorb the tomato juices, becoming tender and flavorful without heavy seasoning. This dish requires little fuel and minimal preparation, making it ideal during busy summer days. It scales easily for large families and adjusts to whatever is available. By turning excess produce into an immediate meal, nothing goes to waste. This approach reflects a larger philosophy. Abundance is managed through action, not storage alone. Skillet carrot coins, turning storage vegetables into comfort food. Carrots are one of the most dependable vegetables in a frugal kitchen because they store for months without losing their usefulness. When winter stretches long and fresh food disappears, carrots quietly keep showing up. Sliced into coins and cooked slowly in butter with just a touch of sugar, they transform into something warm, glossy, and surprisingly comforting. The gentle sweetness comes naturally from the carrot itself, deepened by slow heat rather than heavy seasoning. This dish requires almost no skill, no special tools, and very little fuel, which makes it ideal during busy or difficult seasons. Children tend to accept it easily, especially when the edges caramelize just enough to feel like a treat. Some families add cinnamon or nutmeg, others keep it plain, but the goal is always the same: make a simple root feel satisfying. Brown butter rice, making simple food feel intentional. Rice on its own is inexpensive and filling, but browning it in butter before cooking changes everything. That single step deepens the flavor, adding a toasted richness that makes the final dish feel deliberate instead of plain. The grains absorb the butter's nuttiness as they cook, creating a subtle complexity without extra cost. This method turns rice into something that stands on its own or pairs beautifully with vegetables and sauces. It's a small technique with a big payoff, especially during times when meals start to feel repetitive. When ingredients are limited, technique becomes the difference between boring and satisfying. Browning rice proves that thoughtful preparation matters more than fancy additions. Homemade apple cider soup, warmth in its simplest form. When cold weather settles in and hands ache from work, a warm bowl or mug can mean everything. Apple cider soup fills that role gently. Made by simmering cider with onions and a few warming spices, it creates a thin, comforting broth that warms from the inside out. The sweetness of apples blends naturally with savory notes, creating something unexpected but deeply soothing. This kind of food isn't meant to be heavy or filling. It exists to restore warmth and energy. It's the sort of thing you sip slowly while finishing chores or resting at the end of the day. Using cider in this way also ensures that preserved fruit never goes to waste. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated, just a quiet, practical way to turn stored harvest into comfort during the coldest months. Cheesy cauliflower mash, a clever substitute when potatoes run low. When potatoes grow scarce, cauliflower steps in without complaint. Boiled until soft and mashed with butter and cheese, it takes on a creamy texture that closely resembles mashed potatoes. The cheese smooths out the flavor, and adds richness, making the substitution almost unnoticeable. Cauliflower also cooks faster, saving time and fuel, which matters more than people realize during busy seasons. This dish exists because adaptability matters. When one ingredient runs out, another takes its place. The meal still feels familiar, still comforting, and still filling. Vegetable egg drop soup, gentle nourishment when strength is low. This soup exists for days when heavy food feels like too much. A pot of broth brought to a boil, eggs slowly stirred in, and perhaps a few vegetables if available. That's all it takes. The eggs form delicate ribbons that add protein without heaviness. The result is warm, soothing, and easy to digest. It's often eaten during illness, exhaustion, or cold weather when the body needs gentle care rather than heaviness. Simple foods like this play an important role in maintaining strength over time. They hydrate, warm, and comfort without effort. Sometimes nourishment doesn't need complexity, it just needs to be kind. Simple mac and cream, comfort without excess. Mac and cream proves that comfort doesn't require extravagance. Cooked noodles coated in warm milk or cream create a soft, soothing dish that satisfies hunger quickly. It's gentler than heavy cheese sauces, but still rich enough to feel complete. Because milk is often readily available, this meal fits naturally into daily routines. It comes together fast, feeds many, and uses minimal ingredients. Some versions add butter or a touch of cheese, but even plain, it delivers warmth and fullness. It works as a main dish or a side, adapting easily to whatever else is on the table. Quiet, simple, and dependable, exactly what a practical kitchen values. Crispy buckwheat patties, simple fuel for hard work. Buckwheat patties turn a humble grain into a satisfying, sturdy food. Mixed with water and cooked in a hot pan, they develop a crisp exterior and a dense interior that provides real staying power. Buckwheat grows well in poor soil and stores easily, making it a dependable crop. These patties are filling, portable, and versatile, eaten plain or paired with gravy or vegetables. Their flavor is earthy and honest, growing more familiar over time. They aren't meant to imitate meat. They exist as their own reliable source of energy. For long days of physical labor, food like this keeps people going without fuss or waste. The foundation of Amish hard times cooking is built on one guiding principle: feed everyone well, using what you already have. The meals that sustained families through hard seasons were never about variety or luxury. They were about reliability. Pantry staples like cornmeal, beans, potatoes, flour, eggs, and milk formed the backbone of daily life. These foods stored well, stretched far, and could be transformed in dozens of ways. Gardens supplied vegetables in abundance, and nothing was allowed to go to waste. Meals were designed to be filling, repeatable, and adaptable depending on the season. This way of cooking wasn't driven by recipes, but by rhythm: planting, harvesting, preserving, and stretching. When money was tight or winters ran long, these meals kept people nourished and steady. They weren't flashy, but they worked. And that quiet efficiency is what made them powerful enough to carry families through the hardest years. These meals may look simple, but they carry something far more valuable than ingredients. They carry memory, patience, and the quiet wisdom of people who learned how to endure without waste or excess. In times when money was tight and winters were long, food wasn't about trends or convenience. It was about care, about making sure everyone at the table felt full, steady, and looked after. The Amish way of cooking reminds us that resilience doesn't come from having more, but from knowing how to use what you already have. A few staples, a little time, and the willingness to adapt can stretch farther than most people realize. These dishes weren't created to impress. They were created to last. And in a world that feels increasingly uncertain, there's something grounding about returning to food that was built for hard times. Food that warms, nourishes, and quietly teaches us how to live with less without ever feeling deprived.